Hello guys, what's up? Welcome again. So here we're going to track in our thank you page how many people take action, how many people opt in into our squeeze page. Okay, either capture page, they call it landing page, it's the same thing. So what you're going to do right now, is going and create another link, okay, in the same group, guys, in the same group which you create earlier. So go here and create new link. Okay, it's the same thing here, very simple. Here there's nothing to write, you don't need to write about either solo ads or blah blah blah. Here we're going to name this as the thank you page. Very simple, thank you. Okay, maybe thank you. Okay, thank you page. Okay, tracking. Then here we just go to name it thank. Okay, you can name it the same as always, thank you. Okay, there's nothing new, by the way, nothing new. Okay, very quickly here, by the way, here what you gotta do is you can leave it as it is, primary URL, you can leave it as it is, but the only thing here we're going to do is going to click everything here, clock link, just tracking, redirect, then go to show advanced setting. Okay, go to show advanced setting. Here you can even put wherever you like, by the way, nothing wrong with that. You can put wherever you like. The only thing here, okay, anyway, let me go and you can put here anything. Okay, let me just put my link. Okay, any link, you can put Google, you can put it wherever. Okay, but here is what it's going to do. We're going to click this blank referral. Okay, we're going to click blank referral. The aim here is to track how many people opt in. So if you click this, they're going to show you what this is all about. Okay, about those kind of frequently asked question. You're going to see there's a lot of help here if you use some other thing. Okay, as you can see here, if you want to hide or block your referral so that the side you are sending traffic to can't tell where it come from, it's super easy to do. So this is all about that. Okay, so every time it's just going to leave it blank, that's not going to track. That is what it's all about. But here we're going to use this as to identify how many people opting into our tracking link. Okay, opting into our opt-in page. Okay, how many people opt in, those who take action. So after doing that, then you're going to make sure that you follow this step, blank referral, then just go and click create link. Okay, very quickly, guys, very easy to follow, very easy step. So after create your thank you page, okay, link, then you need to track it. Okay, what you gotta do is there's a lot of there's a gear. Okay, there's a gear link, what you call it, gear symbol here. Then you just go and click gear symbol, then you can see there's a track conversion, there's split testing, there's a lot of things here you can do. You can learn those as you goes along. Okay, so we need to track in conversion, how many people opt in, how many people take action. The only aim, guys, I repeat again, the only aim is to know how, when I share this link, is to know how many people take action in our thank you page. I'm going to show you, very simple, guys, nothing to worry. So tracking pixel, after you click this and then you go to tracking conversion, then here we're going to have two methods which you can use, tracking pixel or post back URL. If you are involved in SPA marketing, about max bounty, Piafla, this is where you're going to do. But here you can use also this. So we're going to use step 2, use the pixel builder to generate the pixel you need. So this pixel is where we're going to put it in our thank you page. Okay, in our thank you page. So here we're going to tracking action, last click. Okay, the other thing here which you need to set up, the only thing you're going to touch is, are you adding this pixel to a secure HTTPS So if it's S, then you need to say no. If then you need to say yes. If it's not HTTPS, okay, then you just leave it as it's no, it's not. So then let's continue here. Okay, are you adding this pixel to a tracking link? If no, if so, resist, so it's no. Okay, after doing that, it's very simple. Just go and copy. This is an action tracking pixel image and then JavaScript. So I'm going to use image, then I'm just copying this. Okay, then I'm going to my thank you page, guys. This time we'll go into your thank you page. Okay, so let's go to our thank you page, our builder. Okay, if you use ClickFunnels, it's going to also in your dashboard in ClickFunnels. If you're using Insta Builder, as I say earlier, you can go to Insta Builder. So here I'm going to Insta Builder. Okay, let me do this. I don't know where is it. I create here. Okay, this one. Then you're going to add the pixel, the pixel in your body tag. Okay, you're going to add it in your body tag, as you can see, body script here. So in body script, you're going to find it when you click this gearbox, you're going to find the script code. Then this is what you're going to see. So here I'm going to add in my pixel, just paste it there. Okay, just like that, very simple. Okay, after doing that, then just hide and then save. We're going to save this, and then I'm going to show you the tracking. Okay, how it's tracking. So after, let's save it again to make sure everything is set up correctly. So this is my thank you page. Okay, so let's go and do this. Let's refresh this for the last time, and then we're going to opt in and see if the pixel is taking action. The only thing here, which if you go to link, let's go to links. Okay, the only thing which you need to know is how many people click the tracking. Okay, and how many people take action. So one thing is, I already say in the previous video, just go and taking this tracking is what you're going to give to the seller. So I'm going to test it out. Just I'm going to go to this tracking. As you can see, this is the tracking. they're going to redirect me to my capture page. As you can see, it's going to redirect me to my capture page. So here is, I'm going to count this as one click, guys. I'm going to count this as one click. After that, then let me go and opt in. Okay, and let me put my either my name. Okay, Nelson, and then let me go with one name here. Okay, just like that. Then I click download. Okay, they're going to redirect me to my thank you page. Okay, real quick here. Okay, let's go, buddy. What's the problem, buddy? Okay, sorry, my network is a bit slow. Okay, let's click this again so that we can opt in. Okay, I can see it. So it's redirect me to one other thing. Let me rethink. Okay, there's something, maybe I changed something here. Okay, maybe I changed something in my Optin. Let's go here, let's go somewhere. I think I changed something somewhere. Let's go this. Okay, maybe I changed something. Let's refresh this. as you can see here, okay, it does not tracking it because it's redirect me to another offer, which I think I forget to change it. Okay, that's why it's better for you to test in every single thing. It's better for you to test in every single thing. So let's go here. It's better for you to test in every single thing. Okay, that is the key. Okay, you need to test every single thing to know that everything went well. So I'm going to repeat this process real quick. It takes some time. I already say my network is fucked up right now, but nothing to worry. Let's go. I think you'll keep up. Okay, let's go to our Optin page. So here, this is the only problem happen here. As you can see, it's redirect me to another. Let's go to HTML. Okay, then if you go here, if you look at here, you can see that is the page which I want them to redirect. It's not the same. The only thing, okay, I remember. Okay, I remember it. The only thing is, because I already opt in with the same email, okay, I already opt in, it's going to push me into another offer because I already opt in with the same email. So if I click again, then it's going to push me into another. Okay, now let's go and log in using a different email. Okay, that is the only solution right now. Okay, let me say I'm Greece. Okay, test this out. Okay, one of my email. Let's use one of my email here. Okay, one of my email. This one, as you can see the difference. Okay, and here you're going to see the difference between the one which I opt in. I already say, guys, I think you already track this. This is just one and when I click again, you're going to see another action here. So for me right now, what I'm going to do is simple. Let me just copy this, then let's go with the tracking. Okay, let's go use this tracking. Okay, I'm going to click it again. Okay, let's go and go with it. I'm going to click it again. This is going to be a second click. Right now I'm going to use another email, okay, because however I set it up, I want if the same user repeated to login, okay, it's going to redirect them to another offer. Okay, that's all about. But if it's your first time, you're going to be redirected into the thank you page which I set up. That is how I set up the things. Okay, which is very advanced somehow advanced. Okay, but here I'm going to give you the basic. There's nothing for you to work too much, even though you're going to learn on the process. Okay, if you want to learn on how I set that up and how I set up every time when people repeat to opt in order to go to the thank you page, they're going to be directed to another offer because they repeated to sign up, either to put their email in the same link. Okay, so here let me go and use this one. Okay, let me go and use this one, and you can see there's a difference, two of them. This one is going to redirect me to a thank you page. I think what's happened here, I don't fucking know. To confirm your request, please check the box to let us know you are a woman. Okay, they see that I keep repeating. Okay, they tracking the location and they tracking the IP address, so they seem that they keep tracking where they want to know where I come from, because I repeat the same process on the same thing every single time. So guys, as you can see, this is the thank you page. Okay, thank you for signing up. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, so here let's go to our tracking, Clickmagick, then refresh. Let's refresh this, and here we're going to see action. Okay, here you're going to see two. Here you're going to see action 1. Okay guys, this is how this same how it's work. So follow those steps, guys, follow those steps, and then make sure that you make sure that you follow every step, and you don't make simple mistake. Test out before you give your tracking link into the solo ad seller. Okay, and I'm using Udemy for my solo ads. I buy from solo ads. Okay, so guys, make sure that you do that. Here you can see this is a landing page. As I already show you the thank you page. The thank you page is going to direct them to the offer direct, because in the thank you page I don't say maybe blah 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 blah. Okay, here I already set up another pixel which is more advanced for them to the traffic. We're going to redirect them if they stay about in 1 minute. Okay, if the thank you page is open about 1 minute, then it's going to redirect into another offer, which is pretty good. Okay, so guys, that is how you tracking this Clickmagick stuff. Okay, thank you, and we out in peace. Make sure that you follow the step. That is the key. Follow the step from how I created this thank you page. Okay, and then how I creating this opt-in page. Saying thank you page is this one, which I leave it as blank. Then I also generate a pixel which I insert in my reality thank you page. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and we out in peace. Do see.